This is called Lotus Pond, and there are many different temples all around the water. Looks more like a mini amusement park. Get your fortune from the golden chicken.
Yeah.
Temple of Medicine. Morning fruit market. At least it's not fish. I'm sick of looking at fish.
And conquered
His generals. He conquered monsters, evil. He conquered a snake with his powers. There are 20 temples scattered all around Lotus Pond. They're itsy bitsy teeny ones. Quack docks. Down one of the lanes there's a small little temple way back there. Spring and autumn pavilions. It's like the fantasy land of Taoist temples. Remember that one, the big kahuna. Might as well go enter the dragon's mouth. Holy water. Inside the dragon. Monster dragon. So the monsters are at the bottom.
the goddess of mercy conquered, repelled the monsters.
Here we go out the dragon's tail. We made it through the dragon. There aren't many lotus blossoms in Lotus Pond. If you ever get a chance to eat lotus seeds, do. They are really tasty.
Business.
Guangong.
Guangong.
And here we have the god of war, Guangong, and his speedy, trusty horse. Dragon and tiger pavilions, or pagodas. I swear somebody was on heavy-duty drugs when they concocted the designs. Another deity of doctor, wasn't there one back there? Or seems medicine?
Buddhism.
But this one is Taoist.
Yeah.
What a riot of color.
Different. Is it a red?
Oh my God. I know, I missed him. Full stash of persimmons. That is the deity of the doctor, and he would put medication into a drink, give it to the patient would drink it, and voila, be healed. Wouldn't that be nice? Magic.
Magic. Kalau money?
Yeah, I want more money. I need money.